Welcome to Sarap na Sulit series, where we feature classy meals and sulit deals. We're here at Enbu, located at Okada, Manila. Robataki-style Japanese resto na may live grilling and super social vibes. I ordered 5-piece kushiyaki plate, may beef, chicken, at veggies. Charcoal grilled to perfection, smoky sa lasa, juicy sa bawat kagat. I also ordered their ebi tempura. Light, crunchy, well-seasoned, at hindi nakakaumay. Their California maki rolls naman is fresh and flavorful. Their gyoza is crispy outside, juicy inside. And lastly, for my drink, I ordered watermelon juice, pero heads up, hindi kasama sa Eatigo discount. Sa Eatigo, I got up to 50% off, kaya sarap na, sulit pa. Want a Japanese dining experience na classy pero hindi masakit sa bulsa? Book via Eatigo and eat smart. Follow for the next classy meals, sulit deals.